Hi guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. This is a piece before, piece before Sony. Joystick. You can see it's broken jack inside. So today I'll show you how to remove this. So you need a safety pin. You can see a safety pin like this, small, and you have to make little bit angle front side and put this inside. Please guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you. And you can see guys, just remove. See the benefit. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you. This way you can remove the broken UX jack inside PSP joystick. So just make the angle your safety pin and put inside just like this.